Here is the question. If the numerator of a certain fraction is increased by 2 and the denominator by 1, the fraction becomes 5 by 8. So that is first part of the question. The second part of the question is, and if the numerator and the denominator are each diminished by 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So this is the question. I hope you understood the question. The first part of the question is you have to increase the numerator by 2 and you have to increase the denominator by 1. When you do that, the fraction becomes, which means the fraction is equal to 5 by 8. Okay, that is one equation. The second part is you are decreasing the numerator and denominator by 1 because they said you are diminishing. Diminish means you are decreasing by 1. Then the fraction is equal to 1 by 2. You need to find what is that fraction. So let's assume the unknown fraction as x by y. Okay, that is the first step. Let's assume the fraction as x upon y. The fraction always have a numerator and the denominator, isn't it? So for the numerator, I'm going to use the variable x, and for the denominator, I'm using the variable y. It's x by y. So what we are doing, according to the first statement, I'm just going to add +2 in the numerator and +1 in the denominator. So this will become x plus 2 upon y plus 1. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Yes. So they said the fraction becomes 5 by 8. What does it mean? This is equals to 5 by 8. So you will have a fraction like this. Okay. So let's simplify this fraction by doing cross multiplication because you do have a fraction in the left hand side and right hand side as well, right? So you need to perform cross multiplication. How will you do that? How will you do that? Cross multiplication means like this numerator and this denominator. And also this numerator and this denominator needs to be multiplied. So it becomes 8 times of x plus 2 equals to 5 times of y plus 1. So it is 8x plus 16 equals to 5y plus 5. Can you follow?
Yes.
So let's keep the variable on the left hand side and numbers on the other side. Okay. So I'm just keeping 8x in the left hand side itself. And I do have 5y in the right hand side. I'll move it to the left. So it becomes like this. 8x minus 5y is equal to plus 5. And you have plus 16 in the left. You can move it to the right. It becomes minus 16. So this is the equation. 8x minus 5y is equal to 5 minus 16, which is nothing but minus 9. Isn't it? So this is your equation. So you can assume this is equation. Oh, not minus 9, it's minus 11. 5 minus 16 will give you minus 11. Minus 11. So this is equation 1. Please note it down.
Just a second.
So this is first part of the equation, the black part of the question. We'll do the second part, which is the red one. Okay. Please ask me if you don't understand.
Yes, just copy it.
Yeah.
So this is just equation 1.
That's just equation 1. We are not done yet.
Um, yes.
So let's do the second part of the question. Could you please read it? Which one is written in the red color?
Yeah, if the numerator and denominator are each diminished by 1,
Yeah.
fraction becomes 1 by 2. Find the
Yeah.
fraction.
So what do you do? Could you guess? How will you write after diminishing?
Diminished by 1, then the fraction is 1 by 2. So x by y equals 1 by 2.
X minus 1 upon y minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Are you getting it? Okay. So now again you have to do the cross multiplication. I hope you know how to do it. So you just have to multiply
Yes.
2. You have to multiply 2 by x minus 1 and
Yes.
1 by y minus 1. Just multiply them. You will have 2x minus 2 equal to y minus 1. So just take the y to the left hand side. It becomes 2x minus y equal to minus 1 plus 2. I'm just keeping the variable on the left hand side and the new numbers on the right hand side. When I bring the minus 2 to the right hand side, it becomes positive 2. And I've taken the y from the right hand side to the left hand side, it becomes negative y. Can you follow? Can you follow
Yes.
this? Yes. So it is 2x minus
Yes.
y is equal to plus 1. So this is equation 2. Please note it down. Are you done copying?
1 second.
Yeah.
Yes, we're done.
Okay. Could you please solve these two equations and find the value of x and y?
Yes, just a second.
Are you solving the equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, is y equal to 7?
Just a second. Y, I'm getting y is 15.
1 second. 15.
Yeah.
1 second.
You just try for 2 minutes if you're not getting within that amount of time.
Yes, ma'am, it's 15.
It's 15. Okay. What is the value
Yes,
of x then?
Second. But then y would be okay. Second. That common points for me.
Sorry.
It's coming in points for me.
Um, I think maybe you might be. Okay, I'll do it. It's fine. It's fine. You just tell me the two equations. It might be a silly mistake. I'll just do it. What is the equation one?
You know,
8x
8x minus 5y equals minus 11.
minus 11. What is the equation two?
2x minus y equals 1.
2x minus y is equal to 1, isn't it?
1.
So you can't solve this equation directly. Let's have a same coefficient for x or y. You can multiply the equation 2 by 5. And you can turn this equation into 10x minus 5y equal to 5. So now we do have same coefficient. The equation 1, I'm just keeping as it is. I'm not doing any changes. It's just 8x minus 5y is equal to minus 11. The equation 2 becomes 10x minus 5y equal to 5 after multiplying it by 5. So let's subtract it. You will have minus here. You have minus already, so that becomes plus. And here also you'll have minus. So 8x minus 10x will become minus 2x. You know how. This positive 5y and negative 5y will cancel out each other. Minus 11 and minus 5 will become minus 16, isn't it? So you have minus in the
Yes.
both hand side. You can cancel out them. It just 2x equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 upon 2. Y is making a lot of noise. 1 minute. So x is equal to 8. Yeah. So x is 8. Substitute in one of the equation. So let me substitute in equation 2. What happens? 2 into 8 minus y is equal to 1. So it's 16 minus y equal to 1. Let me keep the numbers in the one side and the variables on the other side. Let me take this 1 here and y here. So what happened? The positive one becomes -1. The negative y becomes +1. So you will have 15 for the variable y. Can you follow this?
Yes.
Yes, please note it down. Excuse me. Also check where you made a mistake.
Yes.